Hi garden friends, today I'll be digging in the potato pots here looking for any of the last potatoes. I'm going to make a stew tonight and I want to see if I have any more little potatoes lingering in these pots. I found the last few of the potatoes in this pot, so I think we're ready to start a new batch. This is the sweet potato pot, and I found quite a few sweet potatoes. I may add one or two in the stew tonight just to see how they taste in my beef stew. I think it'll work out okay. It might be a little different, but you know, it's nice to use the garden produce that you have. After finding all of the potatoes, I went to the carrot patch and found some really nice sized carrots. I have more than enough sweet potatoes and carrots, so I'll rinse these off and see what I've got here, and then I'll be putting my stew together for dinner. I'm using my Instant Pot and I'm putting some olive oil in. I have some stew beef and I need to push the saute button first off. I'll put some oil in and brown the stew beef. I added salt and pepper, and now I'm going in with some of the herbs that I have in my cupboard that I've dried in the past. I have some thyme, some oregano, and some basil. I added 2.5 cups water and some beef, better than bouillon, that I had in the refrigerator. Next up, I need to add all these lovely vegetables that are all from the garden. I also added 1 chopped onion. I added a can of tomato sauce, and there was also some Worcestershire sauce that I added early on that I guess missed the video. So I added all of the ingredients, stirred it around, and I turned my Instant Pot on for 35 minutes, and that's all it took. This was the most wonderful stew, and I was so happy to use all of those vegetables from the end of my winter garden. We all enjoyed dinner, and it's so satisfying to use the garden. I'll leave a link below for the recipe. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.